Today, I will be connecting my cable box to the TV. There's two methods to connect your cable box. One with the component cable and the other way is with the HDMI cable. First, you connect your cable box with the power supply. Then connect your cable wire to the in outlet. Then turn it clockwise to tighten it. Then you will connect your component cables into the socket. The red one goes into red, the white one goes into white, and the yellow one goes into yellow. Now you will connect the other end of the component cable to the TV. Red goes into red, white goes into white, and if you don't have any yellow, then it goes into green. You turn on your TV and click Input. Then click on Video if you use the component cable. If your cable box is high definition, you should have an HDMI output. If you have an HDMI output, you don't need a component cable to connect to your TV. You can simply use the HDMI cable to connect with your TV. First, you put an HDMI cable in the output. Then you connect your other side of your HDMI cable into the HDMI output. Then click the input button on your TV remote and then select the HDMI output.